Hi, my name's Tash from Heart and Design. Here on my channel, I hope to create a safe space for everyone to create art in their own time, on their own journey. Over on Patreon, I have a variety of sheets that you can learn to draw from an ability of star 1 up to an ability of star 4, beginning with the beginners all the way up to intermediate and advanced. Now, I hope that you can pop over to Patreon where you'll see all of the sheets that I've done so far, and along with each sheet are a video to teach you how to go through it, to draw it on its own, but then also how to colour in various ways, sometimes colouring pencils, acrylic paints, watercolours, pastels. I may even venture into gouache. I do have some gouache and I'm enjoying that at the moment, and maybe even markers too. So if you pop over to Patreon, it's a small fee per month. You get access to all of the full length videos with me talking all the way through to guide you through the process. And you also get access to download the printables as many times as you like. And they have, as I said, been made for anyone at any stage of the journey, be it beginner or more intermediate, and some advanced. They take longer, so there will be less of those, but I do intend to do some of those too. So as I said, I want it to be a safe space for everyone. Please do, when you're on Patreon, ask me questions, or even on YouTube if you subscribe. There will be some full-length videos here, as well as time lapses of what's on Patreon, but there will also be YouTube one-offs as well, just for YouTube. Why not? So I hope this has given you an idea of what my channel's all about. Please subscribe, like and comment, and help me to get out there. Thanks, guys.